In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit overexposed photos in Photoshop. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, mastering the art of photo correction is a valuable skill. Overexposed photos, which are too bright and lack detail, can often feel like a lost cause, but with a few simple steps in Adobe Photoshop, you can bring them back to life. First, let's open Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't already, launch the application from your desktop or applications folder. Once you're in Photoshop, it's time to add your image. You can do this by clicking on File in the upper left corner, selecting Open, and navigating to the overexposed photo you want to edit. Double-click the file name or click Open to load the image onto the Photoshop workspace. With your photo open in Photoshop, we move on to enhancing the curves. The Curves tool is a powerful feature that allows us to adjust the tonality of the image and bring back those lost details in the highlights. To access curves, you can go to the top menu and choose Image, then Adjustments, and finally Curves. However, a quicker way is to use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus M on your keyboard. This will open the Curves Adjustment panel, giving you access to a graph that represents the tonal range of your image. Now it's time to adjust the curve itself to recover the details in your overexposed photo. The Curves graph displays shadows on the left and highlights on the right. By clicking and dragging the line on the graph, you can change the brightness and contrast of different parts of the image. For overexposed images, we're going to focus on the highlights. Start by clicking on the upper portion of the line, the section representing the highlights, then gently drag it downward to darken those bright areas. Be subtle with your adjustments for a more natural look. A slight S-curve can also help enhance contrast, deepening shadows, while pulling highlights down to add more definition. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the image preview to ensure that the changes are enhancing rather than distorting the photo. Remember, you want the photo to look natural, even if it's a creative edit. After adjusting the curve, take a moment to step back and compare the edited image with the original. You should notice an improvement in the detail and overall quality of the photo. If you're satisfied, save your work by going to File, then Save As, and choose your desired format and location. And there you have it. You've taken an overexposed photo and transformed it into something much more balanced and visually appealing. Practice this technique with different images to see how versatile it can be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.